Hello everybody, this is Samuel Bean, Diamond Ambassador for iBuumerang International. Okay, what I want to talk about today is how to increase your retention when it comes to people who join your business. We already know it doesn't matter what company you're in, whose group you're in, you'll always have a certain demographic of people who are going to quit, incubate, and build it big. Okay, today I'm going to show you a way on how to make sure you have a stopgap situation, how to make sure you have some quit prevention in your arsenal. Today I want to show you how to use those boomerangs to make sure that nobody goes anywhere except for to the bank. Okay, and so when you look at our boomerang program, okay, it doesn't matter if a person is a big retailer or a big builder. When a person gets started, what I would suggest you do is have a calling party with that person. Make sure that they start getting their boomerangs out to their customers, to their prospects. Make sure they start getting those boomerangs registered, because when you get those registered and they start to see people travel, they start to see people get excited about it, they won't quit. Okay, if they don't do anything else in the business, they're going to stay active, and I'm going to show you what that entails and how beneficial that is to them. Okay, first and foremost, you have the Coach Class Pack, and I'll go per pack, no problem. Coach Class Pack has 10 boomerangs in it. Okay, multiply that by the annual income per boomerang, right? Which is $300 in income. So you have $3,000 in income that person will generate with those 10 boomerangs going out to their customers. Here on the business class, you have 25 boomerangs. Multiply that by $300 in income. You have $7,500 in annual income that you can look forward to, or they can look forward to. This is income that they won't walk away from. Okay. Now you have the first class pack. Okay, and that one has 50. Okay, 50 boomerangs. Help them get those 50 boomerangs out and registered, and that person will have $15,000 worth of income coming in year after year after year after year. Okay, now this is the kicker though. This is what's going to put them in a position where they'll not only stay in, but they're going to get excited, because what I'm about to show you is going to put a person in a position where they'll accidentally get to 6 figures in 6 years just by staying qualified. What do you have to do to stay qualified? You have to have an auto ship of $99.95. What is the one thing that comes with the actual auto ship that you can monetize? Boomerangs. You get 5 more boomerangs. So watch the math on this, right? So you have 5 boomerangs a month times 12 months equals 60 months, right? Multiply the 60 months times the $300 in income that you get per year. Now that's $18,000 year after year that you increase their revenue by. See, the $15,000 is standard for 50 boomerangs, but by the end of 12 months, they'll have $18,000 coming in. Next year, after 12 months, right? Guess what they're going to have? $18,000 more. Second year, right? $18,000 more. Not $18,000 again. Every year, because they're adding 60 boomerangs, right? 60 booms every year. $18,000 more. If you're doing the math with me, ladies and gentlemen, in 5, maybe 6 years max, that person will be over $100,000 a year in income just by staying active and giving out those 5 boomerangs they get every month to new people who they meet. Okay, I'm just telling you, this is a can't lose situation. Okay, this is retention at its best. This is quit prevention at its best. Okay, and so hopefully you got something out of this video today. I encourage you guys to comment down and ask any questions that you need to ask down in the comments below. I'm open to answering those. I'm encouraging you to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be back and I'm going to bring more and more information, more and more knowledge, wisdom that I've gotten from Mr. Bugs and my journey in network marketing over the last 20 plus years. Okay, so I'm glad you were here again. We'll see you guys at the top. We'll see you guys at the bank. We'll see you guys on the beach for sure. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for spending your time with me.